start with the Biolite Firepit and put the bigger chunks of charcoal on the bottom, slid the grill over, and because of the mesh in there, you need big chunks to hold the little ones in place. Anyways, we're going to light the Zippo. There we go. This makes it go faster. Alrighty. Look at the smoke from the zip. I wanted to use kindling to, which might have been a better idea. Still smoky. Anyways, here we go. As soon as I can catch a couple of these briquettes on fire, then we can get on. Oh yeah, I can hear them crackling already, so as soon as we can get them going, then I'll turn the fan on. So, get some regular tongs. Put this over on top. Where my camera work. Take one of these and place that on top just to get it going. As soon as the zip disappears, well, I guess I can turn it on. Let's see. And controls are here. Batteries, 3/4. Okay. On level 1. Ooh, that actually took some of the smoke away from the zip. There we go. Should we see what it does on a high? Just quite a little whine. We're warming it up, so we have sausages over there to cook. So. Looks pretty good so far. So according to the gauge now on my Biolite app, it says that I have 2 hours and 46 minutes left of run time on high, and charcoal's really getting hot. It's hot just to sit here, but it's going great. Oh, before I meant I quit. The top tab, I had to make an adjustment there. I took a grinder so the module would fit on there properly. It was welded in the wrong spot. It was welded about 4 millimeters down too low. This top tab here, where it attaches in. So, anyways, it's good and solid now. Just snug on there. Anyways, well, it's going great. Probably be another minute. I'll put these sausages on here. So I put the sausages on now. According to the Biolite app, it says 2 hours and 46 minutes left of battery power, and it just kicked down to 3/4 power for some unknown reason. And it could be that I'm using the camera on my phone and it's messed it up. Anyways, it's super hot. So it's the first time I've seen anyone cook on this thing with charcoal, so it is super hot. Literally 2 minutes of 2 minutes of cooking, and that's what it is. So I'm going to say 10 minutes, and this thing will be this stuff will be ready. And you can see there's a little flare up there. The grease hits the charcoal, but that's normal. Sides are hot, really, really hot. Looks good. Okay, flip the sausages, and some of them are getting pretty hot in the center here, so you're going to have to move them off to the side. Luckily, it comes with this handy dandy slide. Just slide the stuff out to the side. Place these over here, and they'll cook better. This one can stay right there because it's a little well done. This and this. There we go. It's really hot. It's not going to stay clean for very long, that's for sure. So, this is why I like the Biolite brand. Bioavailable fuel. Grows on trees, literally. No petrochemicals once the thing's made. The only option I'm thinking about doing, maybe put some kind of a aluminum cover over top of the module just to keep the grease and stuff, make it easier to clean. And that's it. Some beautiful looking sausages there. And I guess I'll load up my plate here, and I'll let it burn out on its own. Here we go. Thank you very much for watching. And you can hear the little pieces of charcoal falling down the bottom. But they'll burn. And that's it. Yeah, awesome. Sausage is done. And the grill's a little greasy, so I might try to throw that in the dishwasher. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye for now.